Darwin and Freud are like watching a movie.
What are you doing?
They will not even do their own thing. They will go to each other. Darwin will literally chase him around the house for like an hour. And then it will switch. They're really brothers. But at first, Darwin would be on guard when Freud was around. During COVID, I was very lonely and very isolated, so I ended up getting Darwin. I took him out of his little travel bag and I put him up against my chest.
Ready? Let's do it.
And the minute he clung to me, he's never left. Darwin is crazy, but in a fun way. He wants to be involved in everything. If you're cleaning, he's on your shoulder. And he loves everybody. He's very outgoing. But through research, it shows that birds need to be together, and he was alone. I decided to show him the bird videos. He'll try and kiss them. It's really cute. So I figured he does need a companion. I found a family who was rehoming a white ringneck.
Give a kiss. Yeah, give a kiss.
Freud wanted to be Darwin's friend so badly. And at first, Darwin did not get close because Darwin doesn't like the fast movements, but he's gotten used to it. They have a little brother, big brother relationship. Freud learned so much from Darwin right from the first day. He watches Darwin play with the toy and he will mimic exactly what Darwin's doing. I do have another lovebird in the home, Poe. And she's like the little sister. The only time she gets involved is when there's food. I think they love their little flock.
Are you okay?
Because they are never really alone in the wild. It makes me feel good to be able to give them a good life.